Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be installing my wig, and this is a knotless wig that I got, so I'm going to go ahead. This is how the wig looks. It's a full frontal, and trust me, this frontal does not have the film underneath, so it's like a real lace front. The knots are already bleached. The front comes with some baby ears, and I'm going to go ahead, install it, and show you guys how it turned out. Now this is me fitting the wig on my head, and look at it, it's already giving scalp. I did not went ahead and add any makeup underneath because, as I said, it came pre-bleached and they did a good job. So this is me trying to install it. It was a little awkward around the ears area, but I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. Now that I'm done fitting on the wig, I'm going to go ahead and cut two places on the lace, remove the wig from my head, then cut off the excess lace. Now that I'm done cutting the lace and fitting on the wig, once again, I'm going to go ahead and clean the area where I'm going to put the glue. So I'm going to go ahead, clean my forehead all the way down to the side with my lemon burst from the bowl hole line, and I'm going to use the bowl hold active glue, and I'm going to be using 3 thin layers. You're going to see how thin the layers are because as soon as I'm done applying the glue, blending it out, you're going to see that it is already clear, and that's what you want. You don't want to use too much glue, you just want to use the right amount. As you can see, I'm not applying the glue on any part of my hair, my earline, my hair, any at all. I'm applying it in front of my earline, so it's actually going onto my skin and not on my hair. As you can see, I'm applying glue to my ear tabs area because those are the areas that's going to start lifting first. And if you want your wig install to last, you're going to need to apply glue to that area also. This is how you want your glue to look after applying all 3 layers. As you can see, they were thin, so they dry down so clear. You can't see any white residue. And I'm going to go ahead and start fitting on my wig. So I'm just going to go ahead, line it up, and then place the lace in the glue. And look at this, guys. If you do not get this instant eye lift after installing, doing a fresh install, trust me, you need to reapply that wig, because look at that instant eye lift that I got from just applying this wig. After laying the lace in the glue, I want to go ahead and tie it down to ensure that I get that seamless melt. So I'm going to go ahead, undo this braid. This braid is for the baby ears. I'm going to go ahead, undo it, tie my braid down, tie my edges down, and then show you guys the next step. After undoing the braid, before I tie it down, I like to go ahead and use my comb to run through the lace. So I'm actually using the comb to press the lace into the glue. After leaving the band on for a few minutes, I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Once I remove the band, you can see that it has like that ashy hairline look. And this is because I didn't tint the lace or anything. As I said, it came bleached and everything, so I didn't have to add any makeup or lace tint to it. But this is how I'm going to get rid of the ashiness. I'm going to go in with my Ebin lace spray, and I'm going to just go ahead, spray it all over the hairline, tie it down again, and come back with the results. And as you can see by the look of my face, it was really tight. And look at this result. It is melted. So I love to use a lace spray to go ahead and melt the lace instead of using makeup, because you know, with makeup that can build up bacteria, or it can make your lace look cakey. After a few days, your lace will look mucky and all of that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead, use my comb, run it through, and then cut down the baby ears a little shorter. When after done cutting them down shorter, I'm gonna go in with my Nairobi foaming mousse, and I'm gonna use that to set my baby ears. After doing my baby ears, I'm going to go ahead, tie them down with my melting band, let them sit for a while until they're dry, remove the band, and show you guys the final result. And here you go, guys. This is it after I remove the band from my baby hairs, and trust me, you can tell me nothing. As you can see, I was feeling myself. I'm gonna go ahead and do the side swoop style, so I'm just gonna lift everything all the way to one side in the front, and trust me, it looks so good. It's giving scalp. So I'm gonna go ahead, show you guys how well it turned out, and look at it. And as I said, you can tell me nothing. This is me giving you guys like a close-up. You can find the lace, trust me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.